Hello, my people. Come, let's install this wig together. Yes, today I am coming with a wig installation. Okay, now first things first, I will first control her edges, brushing them and pushing them backwards as to lay them back. Here I'm using a product from Isoplus and a toothbrush, of course.
Beautiful YouTuber, sing easy way. The beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber.
Today I am reinstalling this bob frontal wig for her. Yes, this is our second time we are installing it, as I have previously installed it the first time around, which simply means there will be no lace cutting off today. Okay, as you can see, we have put on the wig and we comb it as to prepare it for the placing of the glue. Excuse my client's eyebrows, they are a work in progress. I should soon be dropping a video where I am doing the tinting of those eyebrows. So I was multitasking here, doing a couple of different services on this one client.
Beautiful YouTuber, beautiful YouTuber.
Next comes the glue. Here I'm using the Ghost Bond glue for lace front installation. I'm trying to get my camera to focus, but I'm not winning here. I hope you see it's a Ghost Bond glue for lace wigs installations. Now that we know where to place our wig, we then push back the wig so we can place the glue exactly where we will place the wig. So now, using my tail comb, I will apply the glue on the parameters of the forehead as I stretch it through.
She walks on air, she's got that flair. Cindy's always charm beyond compare. From Joburg streets to Durban scene, she's the beauty queen we've ever seen. Her smile bright as the morning sun. Everywhere she goes, the party's begun. In the land of gold and diamond dreams, Cindy's here will reign, she's the queen supreme. Cindy's where you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every moment.
Then to speed up the process of the glue adhesion, we blow dry with medium heat. Here I'm using my other hand to cover up her face so I don't blow on her face. Then we place the glue once it is clearer looking rather than while it is still white. Here we make them help where possible as we place the wig on glue. Now when placing the wig on the setting glue, it is crucial that as you paste, you brush the hair backwards. Then now of course comes the elastic band that will tie around the lace as to set it. The elastic band should be tight enough but not too tight so it doesn't become uncomfortable.
From Cape Town shores to Victoria's Hills, everyone knows she's got those skills.
Then we set the blow dryer to medium heat. Yes, as I'm showing, not so high but medium. Then we blow dry on the elastic band as the heat will penetrate through as to speed up the adhesion process. Then remove the elastic band. Next we apply the styling mousse using the spoolie or mascara spoolie. As we apply, we brush backwards. Next, using a tail comb, I will select a thin layer of hair on the parameters of the wig hairline. This is the hair that I will then cut off and lay as edges. Here I select out the hair that I will lay as the side band.
The beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber.
The beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber, the beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber.
After cutting and laying the edges, we then used this melting spray from Glamour as we applied it on the lace as to melt it. Then we tie the stocking band around on the parameters of the lace wig where the lace is melting. Well, this spray makes the lace resemble that of the skin. Hence we say melting. We tie it around, not so tight but tight enough.
Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Yeah. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful
our sister is having a little bit of fun, I suppose.
Beautiful YouTuber.
And here some more combing, as to prepare it.
Beautiful YouTuber.
Then, with medium heat, we blow dry on the stocking as to speed up the melting process. This we do for just a good 2 minutes. Then we untie it and remove it.
Bunene, the beauty queen of South Africa, has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber, sing as you were. Bunene, the beauty queen of South Africa.
Now to remove the residues of the product on the forehead skin, I used the alcohol wipes. Here trying to focus so you read, it's alcohol swabs. I will use the swab to clean on the forehead skin. Here one needs to be careful not to wipe over the ready laid edges.
Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber.
Walks on air, she's got that flair. Cindy's zero charm beyond compare. From Joburg streets to Durban sea.
For now, to close off part 1, we will apply the melting spray one more time as to prepare for styling. But for now, I will say bye and thank you for watching thus far. Ciao, ciao. I promise to be dropping part 2 very soon. Yes, indeed, the soonest as I can.
Her smile bright as the morning sun. Everywhere she goes to